And I'm back. Are we live? And we are live. Hello everyone, my name is Amos Nimos. I don't know if we will get a lot of viewer for this stream, but it's gonna be a lot of text-based stuff. So hopefully the resolution is good enough that you will be able to see the text on screen. It's about this book that I wrote under the pseudonym Soft Reruns. It's available on Amazon, Arundel TTRPG by Soft Rerun, and this is the book right here. So you can support me, you can buy the book. I have very good reviews. Good book, it's short, it's easy to learn, the game mechanics are very simple. And yeah, I suggest you go read it, you try it for yourself. It's cheap, it's way cheaper. Like book like this, if you look at Dungeons and Dragons book, they are way more expensive, and this one is the player guide and dungeon master guide. So since I don't have a lot of video talking about my book, explaining how to play it, explaining how to use it, and I don't do much video about like playing the actual game, people can't really know about it, so I decided I'm gonna turn it into a CLI game that people can try in their terminal, a Linux text game like in the old days, because you have like a classic tabletop RPGs, and at the same time that these were coming out, you had these text-based game based on these kind of games. So let's try that. Let's try that, shall we? So here I have the book. I have the complete book that I have access to in multiple formats, except text. Text would have been useful, Markdown would have been useful, but I don't think I wrote the entire book in Markdown, which would have been nice though. I do appreciate Markdown. I don't even know what an EPUB format book looks like. I don't know which one of these is the most recent version anyway of my book, so let's try to open an EPUB with Nano and see what it looks like. Doesn't exist. So V8 as an EPUB doesn't exist, but how about ODT? Okay, so that's the ODT format, I guess. I'm not a big fan, it's not very readable, not very human readable. Do you have people watching the stream? Not yet. I know, as soon as I put a terminal up, people give up, they don't want to watch the stream. But who cares? I'm gonna do it anyway, the hard way. I think I should make that in C, so I'm gonna use ChatGPT for that to help me create this this transition, basically. So I started something like this game, Choose Your Fate kind of game. Okay, can I turn this game system, this text-based game system into C. C is better than C++. I think I will do it in C if I can. So I could cat the game maker.sh like this, but in C. So here we have like the basics of it, and let's see if it understands what I'm trying to accomplish here. So this will write the chapters, but they will be, I think, in C. I should try it first. So let's try to compile this and see if it works. So this would be game maker.c, and we have the code here. So normally what I do, I create myself a compiler for these kind of programs, so that's probably what I should do, but at the same time I'm a bit lazy, so I'm gonna see if I don't already have a compiler somewhere. cd ascii ls, and I'm looking for a compiler, so this should do the trick. So cat compiler, copy this, and we're going back to our file, which was path game, and now we can just paste compiler.sh here and run the compiler. it's not gonna work because it's not executable. So first make it executable, then try it. It could not work because editor.c does not exist, so that's good. Good compiler do take an argument, so my compiler is good enough that I can just tell it to compile the game maker.c. And it's not working because, warning, startup choice condition warning, incompatible implicit declaration, strt up warning, implementation, blah blah. Okay, so we're getting some issues. Let's see if ChatGPT can help us with that. Easy fix. I expected that. Yeah, I needed to import strings too. And it worked. So now we have a game maker program somewhere. And unless it's outputted it at some I'm not making sense right now. Yeah, I don't think this live stream is gonna catch on. I'm gonna end it, but yeah, do try the game, Arundel TTRPG. I'm gonna try to convert it as a tabletop RPG game, but I don't have to do it in a live stream if nobody wants to see me do that. So I'm gonna end this live stream for now. So yeah, you can try the game. It's simple, it's easy to start. You play with 6-sided dice, even if you have experience with tabletop RPG. If you're new to this, like the book is good for beginner, but also for advanced player. It's a tool, basically. You can use it to run full games, or you can just take it as an inspiration to create your own campaign. It comes with campaigns, it comes with character generation, it comes with pre-built template character, it has world building. Like, it's crazy that in such a small format you have so much stuff, like compared to these expensive Dungeons and Dragons manual. You're better just buying this. That's why I wrote this, because I spent a lot of money on Dungeons and Dragons manual, and at the end of the day, a lot of it is kind of bloated and useless and not fun to use, and it takes too long to set up a game. So that's why I wrote Arundel, and that's gonna be the end of this live stream. I don't think people are that interested. If you are interested in that kind of stuff, tell me in the description below, and maybe I'll make more videos like this. But if nobody's interested in that, I'm gonna stop.